Hi, I'm Joan Miller with the Miller Real Estate Team at RE/MAX of Nanaimo. Welcome to Unit 104, 4960 Songbird Place, located only steps away from Nanaimo North Town Centre, where there's all kinds of shopping and access to transportation. This bright one-bedroom unit with 9-foot ceilings has an open concept and a modern feel with large windows that offer loads of natural light. The attractive kitchen features white shaker-style cabinets and stainless steel appliances. The complex allows rentals and 2 pets with size restrictions. For more information, visit my website at millerrealestate.com, where you'll find more photos, 3D tour, and floor plans.